Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a Python code for the screen recorder app. So first we are going to import libraries. Import CV2. CV2 is the opencv library which is used for image and video processing. numpy, a library for numerical computations, particularly useful for handling arrays and matrices. PyAutoGUI, a library that allows you to programmatically control the mouse and keyboard and to take screenshots. This module time provides time-related functions which we use to manage the recording duration. So now we are going to define screen recorder function. This function records the screen and save it as a video file, and the parameter it takes is the output file, the name of the output video file, FPS, frames per second for the recorded video, duration, the total duration for the recording in seconds. Next, we are going to get screen size. This line retrieves the current screen resolution, width, and height using PyAutoGUI.size and stores it in a screen size. Now we are going to define video writer. This one should be further out. For CC, this defines the codec to be used for encoding the video. XWID is a common codec for AVI files. And this creates a video writer object that will write the output video file with the specified codec, frames per seconds, and resolution. Next, we are going to add a code for start recording. So we're just gonna print the message. A message is printed to indicate that recording has started. The start time captures the current time to track how long the recording has been going on. Now we are going to add a recording loop. This starts with an infinite loop that will run until we break out of it. Now capture the screen. This takes a screenshot of the entire screen and store it as an image object in image. Convert to numpy array. Pause in our image. This converts the screenshot image into a numpy array, making it compatible with opencv. Now the code for color conversion. This converts the color format from BGR used by opencv to RGB, standard for most image formats. This step ensures that the colors are rendered correctly in the output video. Now we are going to write the frame. So this line writes the current frame to the video file using the video writer object. Now check the duration. This checks if the elapsed time since start time exceeds the specified duration. So there should be an duration. We need to fix this bug here. Next, we are going to release resources. This releases the video writer object which finalizes the video file and frees any associated resources. A message is printed to indicate that the recording is complete. Then we have our main block. Screen recorder. Now we are going to call the screen recorder function with default parameters to start the recording. Our output file name, the video file. Now we can run our code and it will start recording and record for 10 seconds. So I'm just going to open a terminal. And here we will get the message, it's recording. And I'm just going to type some commands here. So the recording is finished. Now we can open this media file. We have this video file created for us. Now we can open it with a media player of your choice. I'm just going to use a Firefox browser and pass in the name of the video file and just hit enter. So I'm just opening this video file inside Firefox. And here is the recording, our screen recording. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asyncode, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.